To set up text replacements on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. Then in the settings, we need to scroll all the way down and go to General Management. And here we want to go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then go to Text Shortcuts, and here we can create those replacements. So now I have created one already. If I type hey, it will be actually replaced with hello. I can add new replacements, or in this case shortcuts, by pressing this plus button over here in the top right corner. So now if I enter anything over here in shortcuts, so let's say IDK, it will be replaced with whatever I enter here. So let's say I'm gonna type I don't know. There we go. And then let's add it. And that is pretty much it. So now if we go to messages, and if I type IDK, then it will be replaced with I don't know after I press space. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!